let's do them. Hey, what's up guys? It's Nick White. I do tech and coding stuff on Twitch and YouTube, and I do all the LeetCode problems. So if you do LeetCode and you like LeetCode, go and check those out. Here's another one. This one's called 2 lowercase. It is a very hated problem because it's what you can do is you're implementing the 2 lowercase method to turn any capital letters in a string to lowercase. And people probably hate it, I think, because you can literally just use the 2 lowercase method that's built into Java, and it'll allow you to actually compile it and win. So they don't like that probably. They don't like the problem probably because of that. Otherwise, what we could do is implement an actual algorithm, which is going to be like a linear scan here, and through the string, character by character, we're going to have a result variable to hold our new string that's going to be all lowercase. Then we're going to iterate through our actual string here, so char c, for char c and string.toCharArray. This is a method you can call in a string to get a character array, so we can iterate character by character. And then we're just going to want to check if, using the character class has a method called isUpperCase, where you pass in a character, so the current character. If the current character is capital, then we're going to append to our result variable, result plus, we're casting char c plus 32. So why c plus 32? Because we're taking the ASCII value. This is if we see an uppercase character, we take that ASCII value and we add 32 to it. Adding 32 to that ASCII value is going to give us the lowercase version of it, which is exactly what we want. Then we append the lowercase version to the result. Otherwise, it's already lowercase. We just add the lowercase version right onto the result, and we're all good to go. That's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple one right here. Oh, and then we just return result. Pretty simple one right here. Should be able to compile. Does this have to be lowercase? Maybe I messed up here. Oh yeah, it was lowercase, sorry. Yeah, so you can see it worked first try. Pretty simple one there. Doesn't seem like anything you'd be asked in an interview. I guess it's good to know that adding 32 to an ASCII value is going to make it lowercase, and maybe subtracting 32 is uppercase, so that's good to know. The toCharArray method's good to know, and the isUpperCase is good to know with the character class, I guess. So that's pretty much it. Check out the other videos. There's a lot harder problems that we go through, so see you guys later.